Hey everyone, John Little here. Another tech tip, another quick tech tip for acrylic painting with gingercook.com. A lot of members are getting a little confused now that we're getting more lessons over here on a few things. I have a member that wanted to go to adjusting the contrast with a mulberry hill in autumn. I went ahead and made a bookmark for this individual, this member, and I'll show you that little video there will tell you about that. But let's go here. And she goes, okay, I'm all ready to do it. And she comes down here and goes, you don't have access. What do you mean I don't have access? I'm a member. What's going on? Come on, guys. Read a little bit. You're currently not enrolled. Price is free. Take this course. Please just press the little green button. And you're telling the system that you want to take the course. You now have access to everything. See how easy that is? That's a tech tip for you. That is under a minute. Well, just over a minute. That's all you have to do. Take this course. Please check the status up here on the very top of any lessons you go to. When you come back to it, unless you've said you've made progress in it, it doesn't know that you're really actually doing it. And so you just have to press take this course. Just press it again. That's all it takes. Because once you press it, you get a little progress thing. If you see this bar up here, that means you're ready to go. If you don't see this bar and you see take this course, press the button. All right, one more quick thing while I've got you. We have got, let me do this on mulberry. I'm just sticking in mulberry. Oop, got to fix that picture. All right, you will see that we have got three things. We've got mulberry here in autumn, downloadable, and then the introduction. It needs to have its picture fixed. It'll be fixed. This one's for members. This is for people that have bought it. And this is for people that don't know what they want to do. So if you go to the introduction has a brown background. You can purchase the lesson. You can sign up to be a member. Or if you're already a member, you just click on this one. You're signed in. You're clicked on this one. It'll take you over to the lesson. All right. Now you're here. Okay. You've started it. You're in it. You can do it. Now, to get back to the introduction page, let's say you wanted to buy it. You go over here. You can buy it here. If you want to learn a little bit more about it, you can click here to learn more about the tutorial. And you will notice also that it's a green background. Downloadables will be green. Academy members access ones will be purple, a purple bluish color, and brown. If you click enroll in this because you want to buy it, you'll get back to here and you just purchase it. Let's see if we can grab a quick YouTube one. The YouTube ones are the purplish color. Chicken. Love that painting. It's purple. That means it's a YouTube lesson. Okay, it'll be in purple. That's all there is to it, guys. I stretched it out to 4 minutes. Any questions, comments, put them below.